Having knowledge of changing your prices on Redbubble is key to making money as an artist on this platform. Luckily, on Redbubble it's quite easy to change prices so that you can make the profits you're looking for. To edit prices on Redbubble, click on Product Pricing within your seller dashboard. In Product Pricing, you will be able to change the percentage of your profit margins. It will also change the retail price of your products. The default profit margin on all products is 20%, set by Redbubble. It's on you, how much you want to increase or decrease it. I will advise you to not change it until you start making regular sales. Once you are making regular sales, you can increase the profit margins by 25%. You can increase the profit margins of stickers even more. First set it on 25%. If you continue to make regular sales, you can increase it by 50%. After your sales further grow, set the profit margin of stickers by 100%, and keep doing it until you feel it's affecting your sales. I have set the profit margin of stickers on 100% for over a year now. The best way to find out the best profit margin is by experimenting. If I'm getting sales at 100% profit margin, it's not necessary that it will work for you too. Maybe your designs are good enough to sell on 150%. So keep experimenting. Instead of having dollar amount that products will be sold for, Redbubble writes their pricing on markup percentages. Redbubble will automatically enter the costs related to the product, and allow you to set your profit margin by adding a markup to the product. Redbubble's pricing can seem a little awkward. Most of us would expect to determine our profit margins in dollar amounts. But, Redbubble's pricing relies on percentages. Let's look at active t-shirt. If I put 0 in markup box, Redbubble will charge customers $23.25 for the shirt, and my profit will be 0. That means, the cost of that shirt is $23.25. If I want to earn profit from that shirt, I have to increase the profit margin. Let's say, 25%. This will increase the price to $29.06, and my profit will be $5.81. The good thing is that markups can be adjusted individually. This means that you don't need to have a t-shirt markup percentage for everything in your store. It's important to experiment with your Redbubble pricing so that you have a balance between making enough profit and sales. If your profit margin is too high, it may be difficult to get sales. If your profit margin is too low, it may be difficult to make enough money from the sales you make. Don't set your profit margins too low that your monthly earnings aren't even worth it. And also, you don't want your profit margins to be so high that you scare away all of your customers. Your design would have to be out of this world to sell it on an $80 shirt. Do some research and see how other successful sellers have established their profit margins. You want to be within that mix so that a customer doesn't scare away by the prices they see in your store. Setting your prices in your Redbubble store can feel boring, but it's important for running a successful store. So, that's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something. If you have any questions, let me know in comments. Goodbye, take care.